Hey everyone, I'm back with another random NASCAR pack opening. I have 11 packets on the docket for today. In the middle, I have my Lucky Charm, Kristen Lehman. Hopefully she brings us more Lucky Charms. She has brought us a lot of luck recently. I have left my two stands open because I've been showing off the same old cards for a while now, so hopefully if we get a cool hit, I'll put them there instead. So anyways, we have two packets of 2018 Donruss. We have two packets of 2019 Donruss. Two packets 2020 Donruss. Two packets of 2021 Donruss. One super thin packet 2018 Donruss. 2016 Torque. I'm personally looking for a Blaney rookie in this. That is our guaranteed hit of the break. Nothing else is guaranteed a hit. And we finish off with 2020 Prism. Prism is my favorite product, so we'll save that one for last because I enjoy opening that. Alright, get them all stacked, racked back up here. And away we go with 2018 Donruss. Let's see what we can get out of here. We got a Race Kings Kevin Harvick. We have a Denny Hamlin base card. Alright, we have Alex Bowman Race Kings. We have a Chris Buescher base card there. Alright, we have an Austin Dillon car card. And we have a backwards Ryan Blaney. I think this is just a numbered card. It is. It's a white border. 182, 199. It's green foil, so that must be the green parallel there. For my driver, Ryan Blaney. So for now, I'll put that there. It probably won't stay there for long, but that is a good PC hit for me. I don't have that green parallel, so cool. White border Bill Elliott. We have Ryan Blaney. There's another PC hit there. See? Ryan Newman. And Michael Waltrip Legends. So, a numbered Blaney out of the first pack. Sweet. So on to the second pack of 2018 Donruss. See what we can get out of here. Kyle Busch, Race Kings Kurt Busch. We have Matt Tifft. We got an Eric Amarola car card. We got Kevin Harvick. We have a gold pole position. I think it's gold. I don't know. Maybe it's just a base. Logano. Not numbered. That's pretty cool there. We've got Rusty Wallace. We've got Chase Elliott. And we got the base Ryan Blaney to go with the green parallel. And Greg Biffle Legends. Alright. 2019 Donruss. Let's see what was in 2019 here. We have Eric Jones. It's a throwback. The King, Richard Petty. Throwback of Daniel Suarez. We have a Brandon Jones. We have a car card of Eric Amarola. Filler. Daniel Suarez. That one's going to be numbered 159 of 199. So numbered Suarez there. We have Carl Larson Originals. Cool. I haven't seen that thing parallel before. And our optic is Jimmy Johnson. Okay. Second back. 2019 Donruss. We got Dell Jr., Casey Kane, throwback. We have Bubba Wallace. Got Austin Dillon. We have a Race Kings of Tony Stewart. We have Texas Terry, gray border. Terry Labonte. I love these cards. These cards are not rare, but they look fantastic. Not rare. I do need to pick up the Ryan Blaney of this, but I love these cards. These are clean cards. Love those. That's a Contenders. That's probably my favorite Contenders Optic David Reagan card. Contenders version, because they have the other ones that look more like football. These ones look great. Love those. Alright, we're moving on to 2020. We have a silver here. We've got a car card of Austin Dillon. Harrison Burton, who will drive the 21 next year. We have a gray border, Clint Boyer. We have Dominators, Bobby Allison. And our silver is going to be Richard Petty. Race Kings. Richard Petty Silver. It's actually a pretty cool card. I'll sleeve that up. Won't, in case I decide to get rid of it. Won't stay in my collection, that's for sure. But, cool. That's a cool card. It's a very cool card. Put that there. Alright, we have Alex Bowman, Carr. Michael Waltrip, and Ryan Sieg. Alright, second pack. 2020 Don Russ. Actually, probably won't stay there long, but I will put the Richard Petty up there. It's a cool, really cool silver card. So, Logano, Bobby Labonte, Daniel Suarez, Race Kings, Kyle Larson, green border. Don't believe it's numbered. We got a Elite Series, Kevin Harvick. Race Kings, Martin Truex Optic. We have Marcos Ambrose and Rusty Wallace. Alright, so far nothing huge. 2021. I did get the PC Blaney, so that one's pretty cool there. But let's see what else we can get. Ooh, there's another Blaney for my PC. Sweet. Throwback, Denny Hamlin. Race Kings, Chris Buescher. Gray border of Zane Smith. We have Dominators, Richard Petty. That is a very cool card as well. Richard Petty showing up strong here in this break. We have Chase Briscoe Optic, Eric Jones, and a rated rookie of Josh Williams. Alright, last pack of Don Russ. This is a 2021 pack. Let's see what we got in here. Hopefully something noteworthy. Cole Custer, Race Kings. Zane Smith, throwback. We have a numbered card here. 190 of 299 for Tony Stewart, red border. Pretty cool. And then we have the Firework Contender of Harvick. That's a pretty cool card there too. I'm just going to sleeve that up real quick. Pretty cool. Kevin Harvick, the Contender. These backgrounds are cool, but I really like the other Contenders, like I was saying. And the other one just looked better to me, but with this Fireworks, that's a really cool Kevin Harvick card. Alright, we have an Optic of Ben Rhodes. We have Denny Hamlin. We've got John Hunter Nemechek and Kaz Gralla to round off the Donruss. Alright, moving on, 2018 certified. If you would like to, you can like and subscribe and comment below. And let me know what you're thinking. Alright, we got Denny Hamlin, Dell Jr. We got a numbered card, 69 of 199, all certified team for Danica Patrick. Throw a quick sleeve on that for the Patrick. Then we got Clint Boyer and Kevin Harvick. Alright. Well, we're guaranteed a hit in this pack. We have no hits so far. So let's see what Torque can bring us. 2016. I am personally looking for a Blaney in here. We'll see what we get though. We got a Richard Petty car card. We have a Dell Jr. We've got a Painted to Perfection, Matt Kenseth, not numbered. And then we have a Clint Boyer that is backwards. Let's see what we got here. Numbered card. 51 of 199, Horsepower Heroes for Clint Boyer. Okay, and then we have another numbered card. We have, is this numbered? Oh, it's not numbered. My bad. It is numbered actually. Oh, it's 7 of 25. It's a short print. It's a Greg Biffle green parallel. I didn't even know that one. I thought it was numbered, but it was backwards. That's what I should have said. But we have a green parallel Winning Vision 7 of 25 for the Biff, Greg Biffle. That's a pretty cool card there. Then we have another backwards card. This should be our hit. It is. It's Justin Allgaier. That is 94 of 99 blue. So I've been pulling out Allgaier lately. This is my second Allgaier auto I've pulled. So driver scripts. I don't know why they put this weird sticker in front of his auto. Oh, it says Dell Jr. I don't know. It's really weird, but cool. Justin Allgaier. The next Xfinity legend for sure. Tyler Reddick, Torque, Gold, Parallel. Not numbered for the Reddick there. Ricky Stenhouse Jr., excuse me. Dell Jr. and Landon Castle to round off the Torque. Alright, last pack. 2020 Prism. This break's been okay so far, or this random pack opening. I mean, you win some, you lose some. It's kind of how it goes. Especially when you're just opening random packs. So, got the Prism opened here. And right off the bat, we have Powertrain, Greg Audley, and the Panini card. So oops, doesn't go there in that pile. Alright, we have Tanner Gray, rookie. Not sure what series this is a rookie for, but a rookie for Tanner Gray. We have David Reagan. We have Velocity, Bubba Wallace. And behind that is, oops, that doesn't, is a Deegan. So we got Haley Deegan. This is going to be her truck rookie. People get, oh, it's 19 of 24. That's actually a short print Deegan. Very short print Deegan. Not very short print, but it is a short print Deegan. 19 of 24. This is her truck rookie. So the 18 Prism is her first rookie card. And then when drivers move up in series, they get new rookie cards. So if you're a truck fan, this is her truck rookie. But if you're a Haley Deegan fan, it doesn't matter that much. People argue that the original rookie is worth more. That's fine. I mean, whatever. Teach their own. But this is a truck rookie card. So when she moves up to Xfinity, I'm sure she'll get another rookie card. And then the same to Sprint. So, but that is probably the hit of this break. Colorful, nice colorful Deegan short print. That's really cool there. And then we follow it up with another Deegan. We got the Powertrain Deegan red. That is not numbered. I believe the red is not numbered, but it's her ARCA car, I believe. So that's cool right there. Pop that one down. Alright. Actually, I probably should sleeve that red Deegan Powertrain card. I will throw a sleeve on it quickly. It's a really cool card. Alright. And then we got Chase Elliott, Stars and Stripes. We have Harvick Powertrain. Pretty cool. We have Tyler Reddick. Brittany Zamora rookie. I don't know which series that is a rookie for. It is a rookie. Clint Boyer Velocity. And we round it off with Kevin Harvick. Alright, so we did get our one guaranteed hit in this break, but probably the best card of the break was this. I want to say it's gold. I don't know if it is. It's got lots of colors going on. Maybe it's a color burst. I don't know. 19 of 24. So that's really cool there. And we got this cool Dominators Petty, Silver Petty, Rookie of Zamora. We got the red Powertrain Deegan. Our auto was Justin Allgaier, 94 of 99. We got this 7 of 25 Greg Biffle, Boyer numbered card, Danica numbered card, Awesome Harvick, Stewart numbered, Josh Williams rookie rated rookie, and the Daniel Suarez numbered card, plus the Blaney numbered card. Alright, that is going to do it for this random NASCAR opening. Like I said, if you would like to subscribe, comment, share, you want to talk racing, that's fine with me. I'm a Ford fan, so that is what it is. And I thank you all for watching, and have a good one.